Race left! Race left! Pass it, race left! Race left! Race left! Race left! Racing left! One vote OCS, Pete Kirby Miller, and Emma V, you're over the line early. Pete and Emma, you are clear. Just go to the leeward mark, Ryan. Go to leeward mark, Dirk. Leeward mark, Abigail. You shouldn't have tacked off that left shift. All right, that's all right. Leeward mark, as long as you know. That was a big left shift. Colton, Xander, you still got a roll tack there at the end. Colton, you got to talk to Xander. You got a roll tack there at the end. Colton, remember when you're doing your circle, you know you want to pull the main sheet through the purchase, not throw it across. You pull it through the ratchet block so that you can right away head upwind. Pete, now Emma, that was a nice roll tack. Pete, make sure you don't, but Pete, that was borderline that you rolled too hard. Emma did a nice job. Hey George, Nick, head back down to the start. What?
rudder problem.
Middle! Race middle! Pass it! Race middle! Race middle! That's the one thing we do have to pass! Race middle!
Ooh.
Race middle!
Go well. Yeah. Oh, come on, guys.
All clear! All clear! Pete Kirby Miller, Colton, and Cole, way to go! Way to go, you three! Everyone else should kind of look at what they did. Cole, way to go, you're in middle school! Way to go, Sarah! Is that Sarah? Race middle! Katie Zimmerman, way to escape with Angie off port. You're right there. Hey, Ryan Clulo and Abigail with Nick and Addie for being boneheads. Both of you do a circle. Both of you do a circle.
And why do you have to do a circle?
Why do you have to do a circle?
Because you're being boneheads. Yeah.
Make sure you do a circle. Abigail, why do you have to do a circle with Addie?
You just called me a bonehead?
Yeah. So why do you have to do a circle?
Because you're a bonehead.
You're on the wrong mark. You need to do a circle. Stay out of here. Dirk might have gotten lucky, but he didn't go to the wrong mark. Abigail and Addie there. You gotta watch that. You need to do a circle. Your boom hit her jib. Jack, nice job. Ryan and Nick, you are OCS. Ryan and Nick, you are over the line. Ryan and Nick, you are over the line.
Going to this one, Pete?
No, left.
We're going left. I wonder why you're all the way over there.
Ryan says it when.
Race middle. Ryan Clulo, you're over early!
Dirk, where'd you come from?
Chris, Jack, do a circle. You gotta be more aware than that, all right? Do a circle. Hey, Ryan. You know you're early, okay? Don't forget to look over your other shoulder. I think your quicker escape there, when you were early and pulled the trigger knowing you were early, would have been the circle of the minimum. You know? Pretty high risk trying to sail down the line, right? But if you don't forget to look both ways before you make a decision. Smart beat. Let's see what bait is on. Did you do a circle? Dirk! Colton did do a circle. Dirk! Dirk Phelps! Colton did do one circle. Does he have to do two? Dirk! Colton did do one. Nice job to you and Elle going back. You missed the mark. Elle, did you get around the mark? The second time she got around. And Colton did do one circle. I'm not sure how many times he fell, but I know he did one. But Jack Shields, Dirk Phelps, Elle Rivard, Ryan Geiser, nice job. You did the right thing to go back around that mark. That was the right thing to do. Now, I know Colton did one, but I don't know if he fell.
Be a cluster.
I am going to keep you out of here. Get out. Back, 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 back. Back, that's you, that's you.
Oh, God.
Back, more. That's Oh, he's
Watch behind you.
grab.
Yeah. Hit him up. Clue.
anything. That means I have room. It's an obstruction.
It's an obstruction.
No, really.
Blue boat, blue life jacket there, body glove. You got to do a circle. Race to the middle! Race to the middle! There's not a whole lot of hope for many of you over here.
Oh, shit!
All clear! All clear! Nobody was on the line. Nobody. Not one boat was within a 420 length of the line. Cole, you fouled Katie and Angie there. Do a circle. Cole, what are you doing? You're still fouling Katie and Angie.